Hey guys, so today I've got a new subscription box that I've not had before. This one is called Witchbox, so that is their website there. I'll put all the info down below for them anyway, obviously their like website and social media and stuff. So this is a UK box, but they do post everywhere, which I know I get a lot of questions about. So to the UK it is £28 a month, to Europe it's £33 a month, and to the rest of the world, so America and stuff, it is £35 a month. That's all with free shipping everywhere, so £35 a month to America, it's just 35, there's no shipping on top of that or anything, which is still pretty good to be fair, because sometimes American boxes charge like $40 to the UK and then it's like $30 shipping, which is insane. So that's not a bad price really, but I'm going to show you what is in here anyway. So I think this is the September box, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that they said they were sending me the September one. So I'm just really late at the minute doing videos because I assumed that in October time around Halloween I would be able to do loads and get loads of stuff done, but my car's broken down multiple times. I've struggled getting to work and back, and I'm stressed, and it's just not been happening great. So I apologise that I'm kind of really behind, but I'm trying to do more now, so hopefully they'll start coming. Okay, so I've got a cute little letter on top that says LunaLily. Let's have a see what they've said. So it's a little card, and it says, LunaLily, thank you so much for reviewing our box. We hope you love it as much as we do. Please find enclosed an information sheet with all you need to know. Love, Witchbox. So that's very cute, and this is our little sheet. So this says, they're a family-run business. Each box has carefully selected magical items. These items will also include exclusives which aren't available anywhere else. You'll find a selection of the following: jewellery, spell kits, spell ingredients and candles, altar tools, semi-precious stones, crystals, rituals and books. They're also vegan, and they aim to keep as much plastic out of the boxes as possible. They're shipped around the 15th of each month. So there you go. And then we have the sheet, which is what is in the box. So like I said, this is September's, it says on here. I'm not going to read out what it says is in here because I would prefer to just have a look, but it does say at the bottom they're soon launching a wizard box, which is for male witches out there. So that's pretty cool. If you're a male and you're into all this stuff and you don't want the more feminine items, then they're doing a male version, so that's cool. So this is what I see when I open it up. So the first thing on the top is a cute little sign which says, welcome to my, and then cauldron is crossed out and it says kitchen. This is a cute little witchy kitchen sign. Let's take it out of here so you can see it better because it's kind of reflecting. There you go. It's very cute. Don't think it's hand painted. Not sure, I think it might just be like a print, but it's pretty cute though. Everything smells really good in here, so there's obviously some scented thing in here, but that is our first item. Next we have sloe berries. It says sloe berries are good for warding off evil and negativity. You can hang the berries above your door to protect your home, or carry them with you to protect yourself. Used for protection and exorcism. So that is these. Let's see if they smell. Ooh, they smell nice actually. It does say on the front do not consume, maybe that's why, because they smell kind of yummy, but that's our little bag of berries anyway. Next we have a cute little lollipop which says trick or treat on it. Then there's lots of packing peanuts, so I'm just going to throw these to the side so that they don't go absolutely everywhere. Okay, next we have a little baggie which looks like a keyring in it. Yeah, it has a little silver witchy keyring on a broomstick. It's very cute. Then we have a stone in here. It looks like a quartz, but it doesn't actually say, so I'm just going to get our sheet to double check. Yeah, rose quartz. So that is what this looks like. Quite a good sized chunk, I would say. And then next, oh, that's so cute. Okay, next we have this, which is a Dreamcatcher, but it has a pentagram in it. That's adorable. Let's open this. Where can I open it? So this is from a brand called Spirit Equinox. Oh, is it a Dreamcatcher? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. So that is what this looks like. I think that's just moved up. It needs to move back down. There we go. That's super, super cute. I really like that. So it's quite big as well. There is that. Then next we have this, which says Attraction Spell Kit. Let's open this up. I think there's some incense sticks in here, so I think it's those that smell really nice. So in here we have a white spell candle, a red ribbon, a pink tissue heart, and a rose incense stick. And then it has the instructions on how you do the spell here. And this is our little heart. The red ribbon, the little candle, and the incense stick. That smells really good actually. Maybe it's that which is making everything smell nice. Next we have this, which looks very cute. This is an Alchemy England item. These aren't cheap, so this is pretty cool. It's called the Vault Gothic Heart Compact Mirror. So let's open this and see what it looks like. So that's really cute. Is what this looks like. Try not to blind you with the light. It needs a bit of a clean, but that's so cute though. It's really heavy as well. Like, I'm not sure what it's made out of. Some kind of like a pop kind of stuff, I guess. It says Alchemy Vault on here. But yeah, that's really cute though. Then we have a little scroll. This is kind of like Witch Casket, I guess. They have a scroll too. I'm actually not ripping this for once, which is a surprise. So this says, oh, what is this? Kind of seems like a poem. I'll put it here in case you want to pause and read it. But I'm not going to read it out because it's really long. I'm not really sure what that is. Let's have a look at this, see if it says... Oh no, that's our spell thing. Where's the other one? There we go. We can read page for your Book of Shadows. It just says page for your Book of Shadows, so I'm not really sure what that is. It kind of seemed like a poem maybe, but I'm not too sure. And last but not least, we have some Immortal Flight incense sticks, which have a little fairy lady on there. These smell like Parma violets. Is that what they're supposed to be? Perfume of violet, yeah. They smell really good. I love Parma violets. I don't know if America has Parma violet sweets, but they kind of taste like flowers, honestly, but I really like them. So yeah, anyway, I will stop sniffing these. That was everything that was in this witch box. So I will quickly go over what we got again, just to kind of remind you. So there was the Attraction Spell Kit, the scroll, the Welcome to My Kitchen sign, the pentagram Dreamcatcher, which is super pretty. It also says that this is handmade on the little leaflet. The slow berries, if that's what you call them, the little lollipop, the witch keyring, the rose quartz, the mirror, and the incense sticks. So this is everything that came in which box. Like I said, I will put all the info for them down below in case you want to go check them out. They do post everywhere, so if you're from another country and you're going to try this box out, then let me know, because I want to know if anyone's interested in it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.